पर्सनल फाइनेंस रूल्स दैट कैन मेक यू रिच। दोस्त, तुम्हारा स्ट्रेस होता है यहाँ एंड। देखो ये वीडियो और खूब बनाओ पैसा माय फ्रेंड। दुनिया में सबका एक सपना कॉमन है, अमीर बनने का सपना, और उसके कुछ सिंपल रूल्स हैं जिनको फॉलो करके आप अपनी पर्सनल वेल्थ को ग्रो कर सकते हैं। आइए इस वीडियो में समझाते हैं। Very recently, I read this wonderful book, Psychology of Money, and I was shocked at how simple it is to make money. It is just sad that we are not told the basics of how money can work for you, instead of you working to earn money. Now in this video, let's dive a little more into the amazing topic of simple finance rules that can make you rich. Invest in stocks and mutual funds. Now here is an interesting point. If you save your money and keep it idle, it is as bad as keeping a cake in the fridge and not eating it until your sibling opens the fridge and eats the whole thing. That has happened to you, right? Or is it just me? Anyways, investing money is the second most important step in earning money. Investment today is much easier now. You can start small, you can start simple, and with an app on your phone, you can start an SIP, aka systematic investment plan, and you can start monthly investment in just a few steps. Mutual funds are available per your risk appetite and investment goals, and you can start your investment journey from there. But beware, just to make profits in the share market, it is simple to make losses too. While investing, you must stay safe. Invest your money to grow your money. But while doing so, be calculative. Starting a retirement fund is one of the most important steps you can take to ensure financial security in your later years. Not only will it help you save up enough money to be able to retire someday comfortably, but it also provides tax benefits and other incentives that can help maximize your savings. First, you'll want to assess your current financial situation and determine how much money you can reasonably set aside each month for retirement savings. This should factor in your income and any existing debt or expenses that affect the amount of money available for your fund. Pay off your debts on time. First of all, I want to clear this big myth that a lot of people have. Taking on debt is wrong. No, it is not. On the contrary, it can be beneficial in the short term, allowing us to make necessary purchases or investments. However, paying off any debt as soon as possible is important to be debt-free. This means prioritizing paying back what we owe before anything else and making sure that no additional interest or late fees are accrued. It is essential to be aware of the different types of debts available, such as secured loans, which are backed by collateral like a home or car, unsecured loans which have no collateral attached, and revolving credit accounts such as credit cards or lines of credit which are based on our ability to manage payments responsibly. We at IIFL understand how important it is to take loans in a time of urgency, but we also know how important it is to pay it soon. Live below your means. Living below your means is a tried and true financial principle that can help you achieve long-term success. It means spending less than you make and not getting into debt. Living within your means requires discipline and consistency, but the rewards are great. Sometimes people do it wrong. Living below your means does not mean not spending money at all, but being aware of how much you spend. Having an expense tracker helps a lot. You can have a simple app installed on your phone and note it down whenever you are making an expense so that you know where your money is going, and if you feel the money you spend was unnecessary, don't do it next time. Make a budget and stick to it. Budgets are not just those debates that you see in Parliament. They are also not what your dad discusses every month. Budget is much more than that. Making a budget and sticking to it is one of the most important steps towards achieving financial freedom. A budget helps you keep track of your income and expenses so you know exactly how much money is available to be used each month. When making a budget, look at fixed costs such as rent, mortgage payments, and variable costs such as eating out or buying entertainment items. Take the time to create a realistic plan for allocating these funds so you can reach short-term goals like saving for a vacation or long-term goals like retirement savings. Pro tip: keep your saving amount as an expense in your budget, and when you plan your next month, you have already saved the money. Hai na kamal? Have an emergency fund. An emergency fund is essential for financial security in case something unexpected occurs. An emergency fund should consist of 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a liquid account like a savings or money market fund. This allows you to cover unplanned expenses without relying on credit cards or loans with high interest rates if an emergency arises. Why is this important, you may ask? All the above points before this was about investing the money. Here we are asking you to just keep them handy. Here is the reason: if something comes up and you need money for an emergency, either you will have to take money out from your existing investment or to go and look out for investments which can be counterproductive in your earning money spree. So to avoid any such circumstances, whether you have to spend money and your money is not working for you because it is getting used, is not good for our plans to make you rich. And for that reason, I suggest have an emergency fund and have it now. Use credit cards responsibly. Using credit cards responsibly is also an important part of managing your finances successfully. While credit cards can be convenient when making purchases, they can be dangerous if used improperly due to their high interest rates and fees associated with them. If used correctly, however, they can provide cash flow needs while establishing a good credit history for the future. Sometime if you want, we can discuss about the CIBIL score also. और अब आपको आपके फेवरेट सुपर हीरो की तरह एक सीधी बात बताते हैं. Educating yourself about personal finance is key to becoming financially sound. Learn about concepts like budgeting, investing, retirement planning, tax strategies, credit management, insurance coverage, and estate planning so that you can better make informed decisions regarding your finances. And you know what? We will be your sathi in it. So for personal finance, we will share more videos. By following personal finance rules, you'll be well money in achieving your financial goals. So don't wait any longer. Start taking control of your finances today. And for more such finance-related Seedhi Baat, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button at the bottom of your screen, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel.